killer deal on these Ridgid sets, BOGO deals, hackable deals. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, my subscribers and likes. Big shout out to my man Billy Retro for providing this picture, and big shout out to Colin Zhang at the Deal Team, both of them at the Deal Team 6, for providing the links to these. These are live, guys. These hacks are live. Go get them. Don't finish this video. Click on the bottom. I'll leave the link to both of these down below in the description section of this video, and then you can come back and watch the rest of this video if that's the way you want to do it, because a lot of these are going to sell. There's a lot of Ridgid fans out there that want to get these tools. Anyways, let's start real quick. All right, the first one's going to be the $3.99 4-tool combo kit. These are all brushless tools. You're going to get it looks like the multi-tool. It looks like you do get a lever up on the top. I don't know. I haven't looked at that tool closely. You get the multi-tool. You get the reciprocating saw. It looks like an impact driver. It looks like a hammer drill. I'm not sure if it's a hammer drill. We'll look at it right now at the Home Depot website. Or you can get with this $3.99, you're going to get 2 free tools. So that's a really, really good deal on this one. You're going to get 6 tools for $3.99. It's killer deal. All right, with this one's, it's okay. Still pretty good. $2.49, you get a drill driver or the hammer drill impact driver. You can get yourself a free tool up to, says free qualifying power tools up to $199 value. Obviously, this is going to be a killer deal here on the left of $3.99. All right, the first one's going to be the batteries. So it's a 2-pack 4 amp hour batteries, high output batteries, or max output batteries, by the way. Each brand has their own name. You got the brushless 7 1/4 circular saw. You got the brushless reciprocating saw. You got the compact job site blower. You got the subcompact brushless one-handed reciprocating saw. You got the brushless oscillating multi-tool. This is the one I was talking about. Got the subcompact 3-inch multi-material saw. You got the 18-volt folding panel light. It's a really nice panel light, by the way. You got the job site radio, Bluetooth wireless technology. You got the 18-volt 10-ounce caulk gun. You got the 5-inch random orbit sander. You got the drywall cutout tool. Guys, great deal. This one's not so great. It looks like brush tools at $119. I mean, it's a great starter kit for the DIY, but obviously this is much better deal. You're getting your money's worth there. All right, here it comes with here's the website. I'll leave you guys the link to these down below in the description section of this video. Like I said, big shout out to my man Colin Zhang at the Deal Team 6 for providing these links. I don't know if these are his links or not, but I'm just gonna put them down. All right, so brushless cordless 2-tool combo kit with hammer drill. This is a hammer drill, guys. Killer deal. $2.49. You get to select your free tool. You're gonna click on this if it's gonna let me click. All right, on the website here, you got the circular saw, so 7 1/4 circular. You got the multi-tool reciprocating saw, sander, cutout tool gun, or cutout drywall cutout tool. You got the hybrid folding panel light. You got the Bluetooth wireless speaker. You got the inflator, a blower inflator. Oh, so this is an inflator and deflator. Wow. You got the 4 amp hour 2-pack batteries. You got the multi-material saw, 100 reciprocating. So these are all the options you guys got now to choose from. I will definitely jump on this because these are gonna run out of stock as soon as everybody finds out about this deal. All right, so this is a pretty good kit. All right, the next one down, obviously this is the 4-tool combo kit. All right, there it is. So you got the 4-tool combo kit, 4 amp hour and 2 amp hour max output batteries, charging tool bag. So you're still gonna get that hammer drill, $3.99, and same thing with this one. I believe you should be able to choose the same tools, and yes, looks just like it, guys. That's it for today. Just want to show you guys what a great deal this is it. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.